Hey guys, once again it's me Sangram, you watching Research Rocks, and today's video we will see last month I purchased Tesla Model 3 here in Copenhagen, Denmark, and I'm providing you detailed information. What is the price, how many days ago I booked my Tesla Model 3 and when I'm receiving. And then even one more interesting point comes here. Tesla are providing me some of the price reduction and I'm receiving good offer of Tesla as well as supercharging kilometers. So let's check it out. Now first of all, I booked my Tesla Model 3 in mid of August, and that time my Tesla price is around in Danish krona 443,000 Danish krona. So that time I just paid 2,000. I booked my Tesla, and during the booking they are providing me, you receive the Tesla like a December to March, in between I can receive my Tesla, but not before, not early. I say okay, no problem, I can pick end of December or before March. And one more important points come here, just like within a 1 month they are calling me and saying me, okay, car is available, if you like to pick up the car early or not. Because of that time we are not prepared to pick the car, so I inform them, okay, I go with that end of December or next year. I booked August, they calling me September, again they calling me end of October, and same thought processing, they are explaining me, okay, car is ready and you want, like, so you can pick. Again I say no, I prefer my car in end of December. And again they are calling me mid of December around, and they say car price is a 443,000 Danish krona, but they are providing me some of the discount, like a 23,100 Danish krona is a huge amount for me, plus 10,000 kilometers supercharging they are providing me absolutely free, and I can use those free charging kilometers within 2 years. So this is amazing offer for me, and I just say okay, I go with that offer and you can provide me the car. But one negative point come here, I like the gray color, but they have just only two model available. One is a black white interior, and second one is a white and white interior. So that time I discussed with my partner and she is agree with the black model white interior, and I say okay, then we can go with the black car and white interior. But during this period they are told me, okay, you are not receiving the within 3 months, you are waiting period like a 3 to 6 months. But don't worry about this, if you are booked today the Tesla car, so definitely the next month they are calling you and your car is ready, they like informing you like this. So this is a process to buying car here in Denmark. Next video I'll provide you loan process of the Tesla car here in Copenhagen, Denmark. Stay tuned. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.